Welcome to Bayfront Health Punta Gorda. My name is Brandy Hunt, the Joint and Spine Center Coordinator. Our team is specially trained in knowing, anticipating, and delivering exceptional patient care. We are proud to provide an environment that highlights wellness and maximizes patient recovery through education, a culture of early mobility, family involvement, and group interaction. Our center has received 5 orthopedic disease-specific care certifications from the Joint Commission. You won't find another program in the area, or possibly the state, that can say the same. Patients are expected to bring comfortable clothes to wear the day after surgery, further encouraging our program's fundamental concept of wellness. Education begins in the physician's office, where each patient receives a complimentary and comprehensive guidebook. Each patient chooses a coach who plays an active role by learning the program and providing encouragement and support. Regular activities occur throughout the day on the unit, which is dedicated exclusively to either joint replacement or spine surgery patients. All staff members are chosen specifically for their positive attitudes and high motivational skills and are specifically trained in orthopedic and spine care. As a part of the program, patients compete with one another by tracking their progress, which serves as a visual reinforcement of everyone's personal daily goals.